Hello everyone, welcome to another video. Today I'll show you how to remove the airbag and the steering wheel. First, we have to disconnect the battery. With a 10mm socket, we disconnect first the minus terminal. And the plus. After disconnecting the battery, you should let the car sit for half an hour before trying to remove the airbag. First, you bring the steering wheel in this position, and then here, where you adjust the height, you drop it down, and in the same time you pull it to have more access here at the back of the steering wheel. In these two holes here, you put a screwdriver at an angle and try and push the clips that are behind. The airbag should pop right out like this. Here are the clips that are holding it. So put it in this hole here at the back. This is what you need to move. Either in the same time with two screwdrivers, one here, one on the other end, or one by one. Should pop on this side and then should pop on the other one. To remove the airbag, there's a clip here. You need to pop it like this, and the airbag should come out just like that. Put the airbag aside. To remove the steering wheel, you're gonna need a T50 Torx bit to remove this screw here. After you removed it, just wiggle left and right and pull to you, and the steering wheel should come out. To put the steering wheel back, make sure you align the two notches that are here. One here on the steering wheel and the other one on the steering rack. I hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos, and see you on the next one.